ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। श्री भगवानुवाच अकीर्तिं चापि भूतानि कथयिष्यन्ति ते व्ययां सम्भावितस्य च कीर्तिः मरणादतिरिच्यते। 34th shloka, second chapter. Here Bhagavan Krishna continues, if you are not performing your swadharma duty, what will happen? Here Bhagavan Krishna, he is put it in one line. That will be the worst than maranam, worst than your death. What exactly says? Even so far you gained your name and fame will go in no time. Also they will talk very bad about you for very long years. Akirtim. Because already they know you are a very wise person, you are a very good person, but in this moment you decided not to fight in the war. First of all, fight the war is your swadharma. You have to do it. Also that particular war, this particular war, it is dharma. It is a righteous war. It's a very right to do because you have a duty. You have to perform your duty. If you are not performing your duty, you are going out of your duty. Means that you are not maintaining dharma which you are supposed to do for your sake, for your people's sake, and for your all citizens of the kingdom's sake. If you are not doing so for whatever the reason, they will talk very bad about you for very long years. That infame will be very worse than your death. Because getting good name is, you have to, from day one, very long years you are doing so many things and gaining good name. But getting bad name, it will take within a second. That's what it will happen to you. All your name and fame, what you have gained so far right from your birth, it will go in a minute. Because Bhagavan Krishna, he talks about Atma Jnanam, he talks about Atma Swarupam. Now he has come to the very normal Laugika level to make Arjuna to understand. For a highly calibered name and fame person like you, just losing your name and fame and giving room to talk very bad about you for very long years in future, and they will talk about very long years because the human nature, they will talk about your good thing for only limited time, but if you do anything very bad, that they will talk about very very long years. That is not only bad to you, also your entire family. You bring bad name to your family. That will be worse than your death. So Arjuna, at least for that reason, you should fight the war. That's what Bhagavan Krishna says in this particular sloka. Tomorrow we shall see 35th sloka. Till then, ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम तत्सत्।